welcome back. So today I have another nail video for you guys. New nails that I got. These are stiletto nails and it is my first time trying stiletto nails, so I'm very excited for that. So I'm going to be measuring my nails, and I did notice that these nails are pretty wide and I do want them a little more thin from the top, but I will be fixing that. I'm going to be showing you guys that in the video. So today I'm going to be using a new product, well, not a new product, but a new product for me, and it's the Aimeli base coat and no wipe top coat. So I'm gonna start off with the base coat and I'm going to be applying this on the nails. And I'm going to be going in with this glitter here. It's super fine glitter. It's iridescent, so pretty, and it's called Crystal Diamond. So I'm going to be adding this to my nail. And by the way, I did not cure this just so the glitter could stick on to the nail. So I'm going to be doing that, making sure I cover it all. Look at this, guys. So pretty. I love this. I would want to leave it like this, but today I'm going to be using the Aimeli, or if I don't know if I'm saying it right. So I got this brush here and I'm just going to be taking off any loose glitter. So I'm going in with the top coat now and I'm going to be applying a nice layer. So this top coat is pretty thick and this is how it's looking. I'm going to be curing it in the lamp and doing the same to the rest of the nails. So I decided to do something different with two of the nails. So I'm going in with this nail polish from Model Ones. And first I'm going to be applying my base gel from Beetles, curing it, and then applying the nail polish. And then the top coat. So the top coat I'm not going to cure, so I could use it for glue because I am adding glitter on these two nails too. Alright guys, so let's talk about the shape. I mean, I feel like they're a little too wide and I did want them a little thinner, so I went ahead and fixed that. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I messed up right here. I did mess up on 3 nails. I cut them too short and you can see my nail bed, but I went in with some kitchen scissors and they work perfectly fine. The nails, obviously they got thicker due to the base coat, the nail polish, and the top coat. And that's the reason why these scissors were perfect. Maybe it would have been better if I would have done the shaping before I added everything else, but it worked perfectly fine at the end. And after that, I did go ahead and start filing my nails with my nail filer. And I'm going to be doing the same thing to all my nails, to be trimming a little bit and then filing it down a little bit as well. And now it's time for some bling. My favorite step from doing nails. I have these beautiful gems here, so sparkly and pretty. And I'm going to be starting with the white nails first. So I am applying a decent amount of glue because I don't want my bigger gems to fall. After I do cure it, I am going to go in with more gel and go around the stone just to secure it even more. And it's gonna go back in the lamp to get cured. So now I'm gonna be adding more stones to my nails. In the beginning it's kind of hard, so I started putting the stones in my table, just kind of picturing how I would want it designed, and it seems a little faster that way. Since I am applying a good amount of rhinestones, I am curing these as I go because I don't want them moving around. It has happened to me before that I don't cure them, and then once I put them in the lamp, some of my rhinestones are not where they were supposed to be, and it's pretty annoying. So that's what I do now. And yeah, so I'm going to be adding these little ones in this little gap. And then I'm going to be adding a couple more on the bottom. I'm down to my last nail. This is how my nails turned out, guys. I am so in love. So sparkly. And look at that shape now, guys. This is how I wanted them. They were too wide. Now they are perfect. So yes, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.